When we were young souls on the jungle, no, we are still minds full of jungles.
Okay, let's start the drill. Fresh start, don't forget your lip balm. And then after that, this is very important, you need to use a sunscreen and just don't forget to blend all perfectly. I gotta shade my foundations. Usually I just put 3 drops, but definitely in here I put way too much. Right now I'm using my aloe vera, put it in beauty blenders, and then I just spread all over with the very broad side of this beauty blender. Actually it is from Real Technique, and don't forget to blend into your neck, and this is the result. Next I'm gonna use my concealer from my under eye, the bridge of my nose, forehead, and all the spot that I have that I want to, hide it. This side of these sponges, I will blend my under eyes and my nose bridge first. I don't know, but I always kinda do this step. After I'm doing that, I move on to my brows, and I will skip the whole process and how I do it my brows because there is nothing new. And after that, I go back to just blend it all the concealer on my hyperpigmentations or spot that I have. And to ensure everything is blended completely, I will use the broad side of this blender and blend everything out until it's nice. Finish off my brow with brow cara. Next, I will do the eyeshadow, and I'm taking Duchess shade and putting into my outer corner of my eyes, and don't forget to build it up higher and do it both sides of your eyes. To the next color, second, I will take Big Cocktail. It's kind of pretty orangey, and I will put it into the inner corner on your eyes and build the same amount as the outer corner that we just put. I'm creating the halo effect in here. Next, we will move to the third color. It's called Missy. So I will just define my crease line in the outer corner. Missy is like a very pink, shy pink, so I like it for like defining my outer line. And you just need to do this all lightly because it will build up more. Next, I will take the French Kiss color from the Yes Please color pop palette and define my crease on the inner corner, just like what you see in this video. Actually, I really like this palette so much. I do it for all the looks, and it's really wearable. And just now I just take it with the flat dense brushes and take Genoa color and put it in my under lashes like that. So I connect it between upper lashes, eyeshadow, and the bottom one. Next, I will take and back to French Kiss, and I'm even defining my crease line even more. Next, we go to the fun part, glittery satin finish. It's called Butter Cake. I will just using my hand, and then I put it just right in the middle. And don't forget to blend it upwards, and with clean finger, you just need to blend it like left, right, to blend it even more. Okay, next is the eyeliner part. Actually, it is same with the brow processing because I have nothing new. I just drawing like a very lightly thin wing liner, and I don't know. What do you think about this look? It's not too much, but it's still defined, right? Okay, moving on to the contour part. I just using this Wonder Stick by NYX, and I just drawing the line like that, and I blend it all together to the side of my forehead. And don't forget to chisel your cheek. And since I don't have bronzer right now, so I'm just repeating the step for the bronzing thing, like really the same step as the contouring one. And don't forget to blend it out evenly, nicely, so you don't have any harsh line. And next, I will be contouring my nose, and I just love this kind of stick because you can use easily for the hardest side or part and blend it out nice well. And I just doing extra touching with my hand. Yes. Okay, next from the blush, I'm using California from Benefit. It have like pink and goldish pink hue. I just love it so much, and my friends gave it to me, and I'm talking about it again. Next, I will get this highlighter from ColourPop. It's called Flexitarian. It have like this, not a gold one, but it's kind of silvery one, which is I like. I just putting in the highest point of my cheek, nose, and my cupid's bow. Moving on to the last step of this look, it will be lipstick, and I got it from Stylenanda, and I will show you two colors. This one is Smoke Rose as the first look, and it's so pretty. And I just don't get it. They really have a very pretty fall colors. And the second one, it's called Ink Heart, and this is just for the extra highlight. I will use the butter cake to highlight in the middle part and blend it out nicely, and voila! That I want to make like pumpkin spice latte thing, but in like a bold but a little bit cheer up and bright fall, if you know what I mean. So this is the look. I don't know if you can see it, but there's spice of brown, orangey, and there's a gold glitter even in my lips. So yeah, so today I will be using these two palettes. Actually I already have tutorial with this two palette, but since I love it really much and I think it's really affordable, I think you can buy this. And most of the product that I use is drugstore, and I think it's really affordable that you can buy for your makeup daily, except for the blush. I forgot to bring my blush. So without further ado, let's just get started.
Baby, I don't need dollar bills to have fun tonight.